Hello, welcome students. RK online economy class. Now discuss about the impact of the partition of Indian economy. Indian economy already started, I told you, foundation courses about Indian economy. Partition of the Indian economy. 1947, after independence, India loss of some natural resources. That natural resources main focus on loss of soil. When the partition of India, some land is captured, Pakistan, some land is East Pakistan, means Bangladesh. This is the black cotton soil, the partition period, maximum land in Pakistan in Punjab, not India Punjab, Pakistan Punjab, remember that. Then this land, highly fertile land, and growing of crop also cotton. Cotton is the very biggest natural resource in India, and crop and sources are there. Cotton main focus on crop only black cotton soil. Black cotton soil is the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, that it is the Punjab, that areas maximum black cotton soil. It is the boundaries, that is the on that boundary divided some more land is the captured the Pakistan on that time. Next in Bangladesh area, jute crop area maximum the captured the Bangladesh. Then India, two crops of loss on that time. Number one, cotton. Number two, jute. Losses of the fertile soil. Mass migration, refugees. Lot of people, some people, birth Pakistan and India. They are number of persons, it is captured other than persons. Food shortage also on that time. Food shortage means in 1951, India was faced problem food grains. British government focus on depend upon only how to catch Indian wealth, not development. They are always thinking how to produce, how to catch, how to transfer from India to England. But they are not thinking development of Indian economic system. On that time, food grains is a shortage. Then when the independence started in India 1947 onwards, then Indian government, the agreement PL 480 agreement with USA. According to this agreement, wheat, pulses, these two qualities from America to India transferred, imports. Next, shortage raw materials. India have number of raw materials, but on the time not update technology. When the update technology, raw materials useful very high. But now I'm telling you, only at the time of independence period, partition period, Indian part 1947 before, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, these are all British India, only calling British India. After 1947, the partition of the India, Pakistan, East Pakistan, India, these are all divided, all boundaries. When the boundaries divided, automatically shortage of raw materials. Some areas, some raw material, some areas, some raw material. Which located area, they are using only on the domestic people only. But another than people not using capacity. Then dislocation of the industries. Dislocation of industries means now I am discuss about that natural resources. For example, availability of cotton, availability of cotton, Gujarat and Maharashtra and other areas. But number of cotton industries another places. For example, sugarcane industries. It is a crop availability overall India, but only industries located only UP and Maharashtra. UP and Maharashtra. That is called dislocation of industries. Whereas available there, not it is the industries are there. It is the some area availability of raw materials, some area only industries. Then increases in degrees of urbanization. Urbanization means these are number of people from rural to urban areas. 1947 onwards, the state and central governments also focus on how to development of literacy rate. When the literacy rate increases, number of people from rural to urban area transferred. That is called urbanization. Degrees of urbanization increase the gradual in India. Once upon a time, 90% rural area, 10% urban area. Now changes are there. Next, advance of the effects of the Indian Railways. Indian Railways on that time very lowest development in India. Actually, first establishment in Indian Railways 1853 the British government. Only Bombay to Thane on that time. After independence, government also did the all areas establishment of railway system. When the railway system improved, the every human being, every poor people also very lowest rate in the transported facilities are there. Provided transport facilities. When the transport facilities, every people one place to another place very easily transferred, all persons are there. At the time of independence, it is the at the time of partition of India, main focus on only it is the British government. After British government, India infrastructure development, the services, education, health, these are all facilities provided in India. It is a this is video. Listen once and it is a like and subscribe my video. Thank you.